We are walking the wheel in on Enneagram 6, the loyal guardian. They are conscientious, dependable, loyal, and actually have a very sarcastic and funny sense of humor. They're the only type that is on the sliding scale from counterphobic to phobic. So, having a fear of fear itself, like an inner committee of worst case scenario thinking, to a counterphobic who might be afraid but goes ahead and does it anyway. When they're doing well, they're prepared for absolutely everything and such a loyal friend. When they're not doing well, they suffer from paralysis of analysis. Are you a six? Do you have a six in your world that really needs to know that they're safe and secure in this world? Come to imaginelifecoaching.org. I work with individuals, couples, and leadership teams, helping them to transform into a better way of life using empathy and self awareness in the Enneagram.